Hi, my name is Dinesh Reddy. I am from Hyderabad. Actually, I want to know about the drones. So I did some research in online. So I find out about this Telangana Drone Academy.
Hi, myself Akileshwar Reddy. I'm from Hospet, Ballari, Karnataka. We had a 5 days training program. In that, day one starting with introduction and laws about drone, and day two about history of the drone, and day three with hands-on preparation of the drone and practical things about the drone. In the day four, we had a simulation. Day five we was on day four and day five on training program, and day 5 ends with a test.
Yeah, hi, my name is Varun and I'm from Kolkata. I finally got my certificate. I'm very happy, and now I'm planning to use this certificate to master this profession and do something in this drone industry.
Myself B. Sudhir Kumar, and I am coming from Nandyal, Kurnool district. And after getting this certification, I am going to become a drone pilot, and after that, I am also able to enforce the DGCA rules and regulations on the ground, as there are many misconceptions. People buy the drones and without registration they fly the drones. As I am now aware of the rules and regulations, I will make myself clear, and I will also try to educate people on the rules and regulations that are mandatory to be followed.
My name is Gaurav Agarwal and I have come from Kolkata. It's a wonderful place and people over here, all my teachers, all my instructors, they are wonderful. They taught us so well.